Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a way that you can get a little bit more control over the final product of using the new short form videos in NotebookLM by importing them into Google Vids. So one of the new features in NotebookLM is the ability to create quote unquote short form videos similar to what you might see on TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Reels or whatever. The problem is if it comes out a little bit different than what you would have hoped for or would have liked, in order to fix it, you kind of have to regenerate it in NotebookLM. Or if you just want to make like minor changes or cosmetic changes, there is another option, and maybe this will work, maybe it won't. Here, I have a short form video that I created, and I can't really do much to edit it unless I want to regenerate it, but maybe I don't want to do that. Maybe it takes too much time. Maybe, the base video is just fine. I just want to maybe add some stuff on top of it. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the little ellipses and I'm going to download this video. And once I have it downloaded, I'm going to show you another way that you can sort of take control over at least part of how this video will end up. All right, so I'm going to download that. And now that that's downloaded, I'm going to go to a different Google app and show you the rest. So what I'm doing here is I am at Google Vids. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new video in Google Vids. And I'm specifically going to choose the portrait orientation and upload. And I'm just going to choose to upload the video that I just downloaded from NotebookLM. Not sure that's the right one, is it? Today, 11:20 something. Yeah, that could be it. All right, so I'm going to open that. And now I have that same video that I created in NotebookLM. It's a short form video. And if I want to add something to it, maybe some graphics at the top, a thumbnail, an end screen, whatever, I can now use the editing capabilities of Google Vids in order to add on top of this short form video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.